Okay, time to chop up some onions, and I'm going to show you the way to do it. First thing is we're going to take these skins off, and we'll come back and we'll have these prepared just the way you need to have them done. Okay, I already did the other ones. I'm going to just show you the easy way to do this from the start. First thing you want to do is identify where the ends are, the root ends, and cut right down the middle between them. From there, you're going to cut on the root itself. Go straight down, do that on both of them. And then just peel off the brown. And it's very helpful if you have trash right here. So it's all about placing yourself in the right spot too. All right, let's finish this and then we'll get back to it. Okay, the other part about operating with a big sharp knife, turn the lights on. That's a good idea. Okay, so we'll start with the root right here if you can see it. And with that, it's a pretty simple process. Get all the brown skin off. All I'm going to do is cut toward the root and just little lines, as you can see. And you don't want to cut through the root, but just a little bit. And as you can see, these are not very far apart. So I'll just continue to do that all the way down, but you don't want to get to the point where you're slicing too much. Now I have these slices that are vertical. Everything goes downward as you're slicing. And then I'm going to go in this direction, turn it 90 degrees, and you're just going to go in this direction and hold it. And good knife work people will typically have their knuckles of their fingers keeping this in the right spot. I sometimes do. And I'm not going to do it so it has to be perfect every time. When I'm done, I'm going to have something about like this left over. Hey, you can use that if you want to, throw it in soups or keep it or whatever. I'm going to keep it right down here in my soup container. No, it's the trash. I'm just kidding. Same thing. Let's repeat it for all of these others that I have pre-sliced and gotten the brown skin off, and you'll see how that works. And that, as they say, is that. And these are roughly diced onions, easy enough to do. You'll find a couple of them that might be a little bit stuck together, so you can cut through them, or I would do it a little differently if I were doing a really fine dice, where you would probably go with more horizontal cuts before you do the verticals. But you get the idea. Couple of points. Sharp knife. I make sure to use it and sharpen it every time before I use it. And I'd recommend you do the same. It sounds counterintuitive, but the sharper the knife, the less chance you'll have of cutting yourself or popping a hole in your gloves. Anyway, simple way to get started, and you'll get better at it over time. Every once in a while, when we get a bag of these, I'll spend some time doing it, and I'm getting faster. You might want to try it yourself. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe.